So this is about the damper here buzzing. I've tried everything. I've tried putting lube in the Heim joint here. I hate these damn things. They're worthless. After a while, either the space between the ball and the brass gets so loose that you get noise. If it's on the suspension part, you're gonna get clunking. On here, what happens, it loosens up over time and you're getting the damper here vibrates between like 4 and 5 grand. You'll notice it. What I've done at my dealership, they has this felt tape which they use for panels and stuff when they rattle. So this stuff, it's like wool felt on this side, and then you have a sticky side. So what I did under here, as you can see, I went ahead and put some on the damper. So between the vinyl or plastic washer here and the damper, the felt sits between it and cut down some of that rattling that goes on. And so far, so good. Between the stupid OES damper here, which was causing most of my vibration, what this dumb thing was doing, I don't know if you, let me change the angle so you can see it. If you can notice right here, the damper was hitting the frame right there and wasn't seating all the way down. So between the frame here and the motor was a little space that the motor could move a little bit, and between like 4 and 5K, where I guess that's the main part where you get most of your vibration, was moving, causing it to vibrate because there was a space between the frame here and the motor. So that caused most of my vibration because of this damn thing, and most of it was being heard here because then this would vibrate against the plastic. So with taking this shit out, putting the stock bolt back in, it's now seating, less vibration, and putting the felt tape between the damper and the washer. Booyah, no more buzzing. I could ride at 4,500 all day long, no more vibration. Try that, see if it works for you too.